I'm just ballin', flossin', rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossin', rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossin', rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down, she know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money, yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. The designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics, that roll dough compliment.
All right, back again, picking up with the pulley. All right, spoke to Velocity AP. Stewart also responded to the post on Jaguar forums, and they will be taking care of this pulley absolutely at no cost. I do want to clarify some things because I did put this out there kind of like openly without clarifying the statements. So only people that may have been like affected anyway by this pulley situation are anybody that's pretty much purchased the pulley in the late 2022, early 2023. If you haven't purchased a pulley in this range, then you already have the newer or upgraded, better design. All right. Only this small window are the people that were affected, and I purchased mine in the late 2022. So that's why I fell victim to this. So I mean, they pretty much clarified that most people already got replacements by then. Apparently, I didn't even know, or wasn't, I guess, aware that there were replacements coming out, or you can get a replacement on it. Found out the hard way. Could have been harder. But however, they're sending it, and I will be upgrading the tensioner as well. So now we're going to get a little more power, and maybe I can fix this little issue I've been having. Tell me if anybody been having any kind of issue when it comes to, I think I'm at when I get to like the end of third gear with my tune, I start I can misfire. Not every time. Like I get a misfire code, and my car like would hit. I don't know if it's hitting this limiter. When I messaged Velocity AP with my tuner with my logger, they said I wasn't hitting. I wasn't hitting my. They couldn't see I was hitting my limiter. I think it could have been the belt slippage issue. I think that might have been my reason, because my car would get and I would manually have to tap out of that gear, and it only happens, I think, in third gear. I think it's third gear. I'm not 100% sure, third or fourth, and it only happens that time. And if I'm talking about when I take off from a dig though, it's when I'm driving fast. If I take off from a dig and it ain't gotta be from a dig, but if I'm going fast and I punch it, and I'm in the low gear, and I get to like third or fourth gear, it hangs up in the gear, like it's trying to catch. And I think that could be my tensioner issue that's causing that. I'm not sure. And it will not change. I've sat there and I've recorded it on my logger. They're unable to see it. They say everything all the numbers look right. Everything looks right from what they're seeing from the tuning side over there at Velocity AP. So hopefully this tensioner fixes it, because I also have my transmission tune. I've been having my transmission tune for about almost 10 months, and I never put it on yet, because the idea was to figure out what's wrong here before I add anything else, it could possibly make it worse. So hopefully this is a solution for what the little thing I was experiencing with. So I'll be updating y'all with the progress once I put this new pulley on. The one that's coming up, new pulley on, and the tensioner. I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a couple test runs, and then we'll see if that tensioner fixed that belt slippage, because that could have been belt slippage that I was experiencing as well too. Hopefully it was, but anyway, we'll see. Just giving y'all a quick update so y'all know what's going on. And again, Thank you, Stuart. Thank you, Chris. Thank you guys at Velocity AP. Thank you for the help, and I appreciate you, man. So continue good business, good customer service. Thank y'all.